Meet the next generation self-empty robot, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Self-Empty XL. Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row while avoiding objects day or night. And now with Ultra Clean, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI Ultra Robot also features a bagless self-empty base that traps dust for up to 2 months. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. Ultra smart for an ultra clean home.
The Shark AI Robot XL can create a detailed, complete map on its very first run. So in no time, you'll get a map of your home that shows up on your Shark Clean app homepage. This is how you can control cleaning schedules, select specific rooms to clean or avoid, and you can even tell your Shark AI robot about a really difficult mess and send it to Ultra Clean that area. The faster the mapping is complete, the faster your setup is finished, and the faster you're ready to clean.